Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of NASCAR, focusing on one of the rising teams in the sport, KauligRacing. Let's talk about their journey, accomplishments, and what makes them such an interesting force in motorsports today. KauligRacing is a relatively new but rapidly growing NASCAR Cup Series team that has made a name for itself in a short amount of time. Founded in 2016 by Matt Kaulig, a businessman with a passion for racing, the team's goal has always been to compete at the highest level, and they've certainly been making strides to do so. The team started with a partnership with Richard Childress Racing, initially racing in the Xfinity Series. Matt Kaulig's vision was clear from the start. He wanted to build a team that could challenge for championships while representing a brand that stands for quality and excellence. KauligRacing's first major success came in 2017 when they earned their first NASCAR Xfinity Series win with driver Blake Koch at the wheel. This was just the beginning of a competitive run that saw KauligRacing continue to improve and develop its cars and talent. But let's talk about their evolution. As the team gained more experience, they quickly gained a reputation for being a serious contender in the Xfinity Series. They became known for their competitive cars, which led them to multiple wins. Their rise culminated in 2020 when KauligRacing made the jump to the NASCAR Cup Series, showing just how far they'd come since their humble beginnings. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of KauligRacing's entry into the Cup Series is the relationship between the drivers and the crew. The team recruited some big names to drive for them, like AJAllmendinger, who had an impressive career in both NASCAR and open-wheel racing. Allmendinger's leadership, alongside other talented drivers like JustinHaley, helped make KauligRacing a team to watch. JustinHaley, in particular, made waves when he won his first NASCAR Cup Series race at Daytona International Speedway in 2019, driving for KauligRacing in a surprise victory. This win solidified the team's legitimacy in the Cup Series and demonstrated their potential to compete with the best. What's even more impressive is that KauligRacing has shown they're not just here to make up the numbers, they're here to compete at the highest level. They've been investing heavily in building a strong, talented team, and that's reflected in their performance on the track. Not only do they have a great crew and strong partnerships, but their ability to adapt to the high-stakes environment of NASCAR is remarkable. Whether it's developing fast race cars, attracting top-tier talent, or strategizing for each race, KauligRacing is proving that they belong in the Cup Series. Moving forward, KauligRacing is poised to continue growing. With more funding, more resources, and a clear vision for the future, the team is looking to take the next step toward NASCAR glory. It's an exciting time for KauligRacing fans, and it's only a matter of time before they challenge for championships. So what's next for KauligRacing? Will they continue to rise through the ranks and eventually challenge the dominant teams in NASCAR? Time will tell, but one thing's for sure, this team has a bright future ahead of them. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more NASCAR content. Also, let us know in the comments what you think about KauligRacing and where you see them in the future. Until next time, keep your engines revving.